nature, the Great Spirit, the realm of the ancestors. We must give reverence and credence to nature and nature's methods, because no other methods will allow us to work our way out of the present mess we're in. Commodification, mega agriculture, we're at the end of the rope for these things. So the archaic holds answers, but it only holds answers if we are willing to think of the universe as a living, intelligent entity with which we are in partnership, not set against, but that in fact we are a part of a morphogenetic intent and an unfolding reality that is larger than human understanding. Imagine larger than human understanding.
Misty night, when the misty night turns into something beautiful. Misty night, when the misty night turns into something beautiful. Misty night, when the misty night turns into something beautiful. Misty night.
I see beautiful hills surfacing, merging in the fog, sun burning on the rocks, birds circling the top, earth urging me to stop and take a minute or two to see the pretty view glisten through the misty blue. Misty blue misses you, get me up when I'm down and the clouds are about to erupt. Bountiful mountains surround, I grew up looking down on the town that I'm proud to be from, and nothing can change the past. I'm still raising a glass to every mate who never made it this far. Many memories remain in my heart, from the days at the Grange in the haze to the gazing of stars we were waiting for a chance to take. That's how this whole life is. Time is a passing phase in a cage that you can't escape. Up late stargazing, grasping the vastness of space. Hard days we would laugh away, like we never had the chance whilst grafting a marginal wage. This sun-kissed place where I'm standing, in fact, is where I established the stanzas I rap. So here's to the moments of madness we had, and the misty blue mornings that vanished to black. Yeah, the madness we had and the misty blue mornings.
Say that nature abhors habit, and so it seeks the novel by producing various kinds of phenomena. It gives the universe the feeling of being imbued with a caring presence.